Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic. Hi, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Exactly 2 p.m. we're gonna start our FB Live seminar. Hi po. Good afternoon sa mga viewers na nanonood. Exactly 2 p.m. to start. So, hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Paulina Tana from Accentrix. Welcome to Accentric Live Seminar this afternoon. Our topic for today is study leave and migrate to Australia. So, why Australia? So, we have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So, number one, Australia is listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and listed one of the highest salary. So, we have four best features of Australia. Excuse me. Australia is listed in number 3 country with the highest average salaries. Number 7 best country in the world. Number 9 best to raise a family. Number 27 safest country in the world. So, um, yung nasa screen po is just a 4 best features. So, we have more and they have more, but nasa screen po is as of now is 4 best features. So, bakit best to raise a family ang Australia. You know why? In Australia, yung pag-aaral ng mga kids or ating dependents or ating mga anak is libre. Not like here in the Philippines na mostly sa mga private school is nagbabayad talaga sila ng tuition tuition fee per sem, per year, per exam. But in Australia, kahit private school ka pa or whatever school is libre ang pag-aaral. Then of course, pumapangatlo ang Australia sa pinakamatataas na average salaries. So, tayong mga Pilipino, hinahanap din natin kung ano ang makakatulong sa atin in the future, right? So, Australia is listed on number 3 country with the highest average salaries. So, highest paying jobs in Australia as of 2024, you can search at www.has.com.au and hunting job for Australia. So I'm so lazy to apply. So if tinatamad tayo mag-apply, you can apply at www.linkedin.com. Dito po tayo pwede mag-apply ng trabaho. Then saan naman tayo pwedeng maghanap ng trabaho? So we have www.sick.com.au. So dito pwede tayo maghanap ng trabaho fit as a student visa holder. So for equal opportunity, mapababae man or lalaki, as long as you are fit to the job or work, pwede po kayo. Not like here in the Philippines, mostly pag construction, di ba? Bihira tayo makahanap ng babae na nagtatrabaho ng mga panglalaking trabaho. But in Australia, they have equal opportunity. So we have four major cities in Australia or school locations. So we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rates. So it's not just school. So dito hindi kami naghahanap ng school lang or we don't have affiliated school na basta-basta school lang. So, yung mga affiliated school po namin is affordable and at the same time, matataas ang kanilang highest hourly rate. So, hindi na po tayo lugi dun, right? So, sa mga viewers po, if you have any question after the seminar, just drop down your question and I'll answer it right away. So, we have four schools location, Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. But as of this year, yung pinakamaraming nag-visa granted, and mean, madaming student na nasa affiliated school na namin is nasa Parramatta. Because matataas yung hourly rate ng Parramatta. And of course, sobrang mura ng mga school na affiliated school namin doon. So, as of now, yung pinakamaraming nag-enroll is yung Parramatta. So here, I will show you the $25 a day meal. So doon, if gusto mong makatipid or something, medyo bumabudget ka, here, $25 a day meal is mabubuhay ka na doon sa Australia. So if you like or love pizza, you can order at www.pizzahut.com or you can go to their nearest branch. So I think Bawat City is may mga branches ng Pizza Hut. So yung pizza nila, it's just cost a $7 per slice. Yes, $7. But I think yung whole pizza is $16.5. Yun yung ano ko yung alam ko because nung pumunta ako, yung pizza na per slice, they have it also. So, I think $7 or then yung whole pizza yung natatandaan ko is $16.5. So, sa $25 mo may sukli ka pa, you can buy a Coke or drinks. The Coke nila dun is sobrang I think $5 is you can have a 1 liter Coke na. So, for Uber Eats, pag tinatamad ka na lumabas, like, mostly winter doon sa Australia, hindi na lumalabas yung mga tao, kahit ako, kasi winter ako pumunta doon. So, um, nag-Uber na lang kami. Kasi sobrang lamig, as in, yes, para kang inaano, yung parang hindi ka makagalaw. So, we rather choose Uber. Kasi mahal na yung iba like Timo, I think. Timo parang nade-deliver din siya. So, yung iba medyo mahal na, pricey na. So, we choose Uber to order some food, pizza, like something like that. Or pag gusto mo naman, like, medyo kaya mo yung lamig pag winter or summer, pag gusto mo naman pumunta sa grocery, so we have Kohl's. Maraming kababayan tayo dyan na nagtatrabaho. And mostly, Asians yung andon. So, we have grocery in Kohl's and we have grocery in Philo. So, you can choose, and for the vote